Okay, so I'm going to show you a new road that's going in near North Secret Beach, and it's really great to see these new roads going in, and the reason why is not just because it offers more accessibility to the area, but what happens is land values increase. So if you get lucky and you have a road go in near one of your lots, you have now had your value of your land increase. And I'm going to discuss this in a minute here. I just kind of wanted to show you this new road that's going in. And this is brand new. This only went in the last couple of weeks. It's actually still being put in. There's a couple of lots nearby too that are going to be filled. The property owners are having their lots filled and also having the road built. So you can see it's right near the water, right near the lagoon on North Secret Beach. And so we'll discuss why it's so important to see these roads going in.
All right, guys, so this is a new road that's going in the North Secret Beach area, and I wanted to discuss roads and all the new things that are happening here at Secret Beach. What happens when these new roads go in is generally a lot of people get lucky, in the sense that if you own land that was originally not accessible by road, and then you have someone come in and put in a road, they have now increased the value of your land by putting in the road. So we're going to do a video here on where all the new roads are going in, and maybe you're one of the lucky ones where you had a road that was, you had a lot that was previously inaccessible, and now it is accessible, and that means the value of it is going up simply because it has road access. So let's look at some of the areas that are getting new roads, and I'll try to show you what lots in those areas that are nearby that are going to be going up in value because of it. So let's check those out.